right for you. Good evening. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institute. So we were just discussing with each other about the reading, but today we have got even easier way of understanding why we should not waste time on the difficult questions. Suppose, guys, if only we have got 45 minutes in reading part B and C, and we want 15 questions to be correct to pass. Otherwise, even 13 questions correct, you will pass. So considering 15 questions as passing marks, we have got 45 minutes. That means you have got 3 minutes for one question. That simply implies that do only easy questions right and you will pass. Means never give time to difficult questions, because even after giving 5 minutes to a difficult question, chances are that that question will go wrong. And this is the only reason why people fail in reading. Don't give time to any difficult question, give time only to easy question, because then only 15, which is the passing marks, which is more than passing marks. Okay, and you have got 45 minutes, 3 minutes for one question, and easy questions take only 1 or 1.5 minute. So means when you do only easy question first, you have all the time in the world. Time is not a problem in reading, it's just the mind. So please subscribe and share our channel with your friends, but please follow our advices. Nobody can fail you in OET if you follow our advice. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institute. Thank you very much. And follow us for other NCLEX and NORCET tips as well. Thank you.